Hi mateys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down below. Today we're going to be playing with some makeup. I already prepped my skin with Smashbox Photo Finished and Maybelline Luminess Matte Foundation. We're priming our lids with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. They actually changed the formula and she's pretty good. Morphe's blending brush with the Jason UW. We're going in with our transition shade, windshield wiper motions. Then I went in with this orangey shade on the outside corner, packing it on and then blending her out. This is going so fast. Then a pencil brush, mixing two colors, patting and blending. Flat brush with two of the lighter shades, packing it on, brow bone and lid, and blending her out. Use your favorite liquid liner. Mine is the e.l.f. one. Voila! These are my favorite lashies, Lux Hollywood. Then I went in with Morphe Sun Stick. Ulta, oh my gosh, Ulta blush and powdered bronzer and powdered foundation, whatever, translucent powder. And then I went in with the Tequila Sunset Too Faced blush or NYX lip liners and Fenty Beauty lip oil. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.